Here at MRW Financial Brokerage, we want you to rethink long-term care planning discussions with your clients. Many advisors have shied away from long-term care conversations due to the horror stories of the past. It's important to understand the evolution of long-term care planning so that you can feel comfortable with today's solutions and begin actively developing plans for your clients. In the past, we had traditional long-term care insurance that was typically sold to individuals over the age of 65. The discussions revolved primarily around the need for long-term care and the fact that Medicare did not pay for this type of care. No one wants to think about their health deteriorating to the point that they need long-term care, let alone spend money on an insurance policy to pay for it. To compound that, the traditional long-term care insurance policies were use it or lose it for long-term care. This fact alone prevented many couples who could afford to pay for the cost of care to forego the leverage provided by a traditional long-term care insurance policy and plan to self-fund should the need arise. If a client did purchase, they quite possibly faced massive rate increases after years of paying premiums. Some companies have more than tripled rates on in-force policies. The history of significant rate increases, combined with the use it or lose it design of traditional long-term care insurance, prevented many advisors from proactively recommending long-term care planning solutions. Instead, they would wait for their clients to express a concern and simply take an order. This would provide the advisor necessary cover if the company raised rates in the future, or if the client outlived the limited long-term care insurance policy. However, we now have asset-based long-term care products that solve all of the problems of the past. Some of these plans offer lifetime benefits, along with contractually guaranteed premiums that can never be increased. If you do not have a need for long-term care, there is a tax-free death benefit or annuity account value that passes on to your client's beneficiaries. This eliminates the concern of wasted premiums should the client not need long-term care. If your clients have assets to protect, we can help them create leverage for long-term care expenses, whether they are young and healthy or currently in need of care and confined to a nursing home. Call MRW Financial Brokerage at 800-967-7661, and we can discuss individual solutions to meet your client's needs.